guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to it so you're notified when new videos go up. And if you enjoy this recipe or end up making it, please smash that like button. So today we're still in the holiday spirit and we're going for holiday biscuits, because what's better than a biscuit to accompany a holiday meal? Nothing. It's also super easy, super quick, and again, I'm keeping it really versatile for all of you so that you can play around and customize this. We're actually using Bisquick for this recipe, not sponsored or anything, just I love that it's such a quick drop biscuit to do, so you don't even have to, that's why you don't even have to shape these. They can just be however messy you want them to be. But I love to pair them with gravy, which I just posted a video on last week for, so please go check that out, or I'll link it up in the cards above. So yeah, but with my gravy on it, melt in your mouth, so good. You could serve these also with cranberry or like a jam to kind of play on that sweet and savory note, but these are just to die for. So let's get into it. This recipe is quick, simple, and holiday ready. And these are our main ingredients: Bisquick, cheddar shreds of your choice, smoked Gouda, and then 4 slices of vegan deli meat. I have 2 slices of smoked turkey meat and 2 slices of herbed turkey meat. Into a medium hot skillet, we're going to add half a tablespoon of butter and our turkey slices. We want to kind of give them a little bit of a bite, a little bit more crispiness, so that in our holiday biscuits, they're not going to just be weird, like soggy pieces of bacon. So we want to, infuse them with that butter flavor. And then we also want to give them that holiday touch. Now, I know I already put the herbed ones in here, but we're going to give them a little extra flair. We're going to give them a pinch of parsley, actually 2 pinches, a pinch of thyme, and a pinch of oregano, to just really kind of liven up those fresh herbaceous flavors. Now, you could also, if you didn't want to use this mixture of herbs, you could use poultry seasoning, assuming it's completely vegan. They usually are, but you would use about a teaspoon of that instead of the herbs. What also goes really well in here, but usually is kind of a flavor that not everybody likes, is sage. So in addition to all of these, you could add a pinch of sage and rosemary. And then you just kind of want to let them do their thing. Now, we don't want to completely dry these out, and these aren't something, you'd have to really let them go to like lose all of their moisture, but we want them to, start turning color, like over here and over here, just kind of getting that nice browning. And then once that happens, we can turn off the heat and set them aside. Now, off the stove, we can, in a bowl, put together our biscuit mix. So I honestly just following the Bisquick ratios for this batch, which makes 8 biscuits. If you just do them as small drop biscuits, I might end up doing them a little bigger, but it's 2 1/4 cups of Bisquick, and then I did half a cup of cheese. And that's mixing the smoked Gouda with the Violife cheddar. And then to that, we want to add our turkey bits. And then once we have those, we can kind of just quickly give them a short toss. And again, if you want these to be meatier, you can add more meat. If you want more cheese, you can add more cheese. But you don't want to weigh them down. You don't want to weigh the biscuits down too much, or they'll just end up being really dense. Now we're going to add 2/3 cup of plant milk. I'm using Oatly. And then we're just going to give this a stir and drop our biscuits. What we then want to do is put our biscuits into a preheated 450-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Now, at about the 6-minute mark, we can go ahead and top these with a little extra cheddar shreds, just because vegan cheese takes a little bit longer to melt. This is completely optional, but you know, more cheese is good cheese.